Welcome readers, welcome to my YouTube channel Fictional World. Welcome to romantic English novel That Is My Love, episode number 4, written by Aksa. Let's start guys. Zaman came out of the bathroom after refreshed. He stared at Huram. So Huram Zamansha, I have endured a lot of rudeness from you. Now show me the sense of your tongue. Forgive me, I will not be rude to you from today. Why should I forgive you? Saying Huram, ready to get up and leave. The man tied her waist and pinned her to the bed, blocking the way to escape. The man bent over her face and smiled while rubbing the index finger of his other hand on her cheeks. How long will you refuse? Why does not my soul confess that you love me with all your heart and soul? Waiting of my desires, his index finger was touching every part of her face. Huram was widdened at Zaman's word. How did he know what was in her heart? Now she forgot all the fear. What kind of fear? Her mouth opened wide at his words. Zaman's entire attention had become her lips on the way. She opened her mouth. Her incredible pink, pouty lips were the most beautiful thing on her face. Zaman slowly leaned towards Huram's face and his burning lips touched Huram's lips, which were filled with the sweetness of flowers. All of them were filled with the juice of flowers. As soon as she felt her lips touch Zaman's lips, Huram's eyes closed. Her breathing became deep as if it would stop. With both her hands, she clenched Zaman's collar in her fist. She tried to control her sense by placing her feet on her feet. Zaman was just placing his burning lips on her lips, feeling their softness and warmth. He had not started any other action yet. He had not even tasted them once. He had not even taken a sip yet. Huram's condition was staring to damage. The man raised his face slightly and felt Huram breathing stop. His lips bent to her ears and whispered in a deep voice, I have not even taken a sip yet. Your breath is already coming out. What will happen next? You are Huram Zamansha. Let your heart be completely mine. Then your breath will not stop. I will beg to dissolve. He breathed the magic of his voice into her ears, kissed the lobes of her hair, and sat up straight. Purum opened her eyes slightly and looked at Zaman. Then, with lightning speed, she jumped from the other side of the bed and ran out of the door. Zaman stood up, running his fingers through his hair. Puram Zaman Shah, if I had not burned you in the fire of my love, then my name is also not Zaman Shah. One day Huram breath would also go with the name of Zaman Shah. Looking at the door of the bathroom, he spoke with determination. What did you say, Mishal Shah? That no beautiful girl would love me. So I will show you how much beautiful girl, even more beautiful than you, is madly in love with Zaman Shah. When I show you, then get ready for a bad punishment. You have had a very good day. Now it is to see how a lustful person like you spend life with just a good appearance. Uram, blushing with shame, sat down on the stairs and hid her face in her knees. Was it Zamansha or his ghost? But ghosts do not say such heartwarming, sweet things. They do not snatch such senses. He wanted to punish, but has his punishment changed? And if it is done, then she was thinking while hiding her face in her knees, while a smile come to her lips. Zaman and Huram returned to the city the next day. As soon as they returned to the city, Huram saw her brother in the bungalow. Huram's eyes got wet. Huram ran fast and hugged her brother. Daria was also very happy to meet Huram. Both of them had wet eyes. Who else was there for them beside each other? Both of them were very happy to meet each other. Huram was mostly talking at the dining table. Both of them were eating silently, listening to her words with just answer yes and yes. Daryab had become serious. It did not seem like this was the same Daryab who always laughed and talked. Why are not you eating? Daryab did not like the food. Huram asked him. It's good. The food is very delicious. We are just listening to you in silence. You are not giving anyone a chance to speak. Daryab reassured Huram. Daryab heart was at peace to saying that Huram was very happy with Zaman Shah. Huram expression Zaman walked to step from his seat, leaned over her chair and whispered in her ear, My life, you are my happiness, my peace. After eating well, you come into the room, touched Huram's swollen cheeks with his lips and straightened up. One to the study room. Oh, his shameless. That too in front of Daryab, Huram shocked at such shamelessness. Her eyes had opened and her lips was also opened. Zaman Bhai has called me. I have become after listening to him. You eat in peace. Daryab was laughing at Huram's condition. It was becoming difficult for Daryab to control it. After telling Huram, he suppressed his smile and wondered to where Zaman has gone. There's a limit. His love will take away my life. She removed her hand from her reddening face, picked up the spoon again, and started cleaning the plate. As soon as Huram entered the room, Zaman pulled her and put her hand on her waist and bent her face to his face and rubbed his nose with her nose. What do you do, Zaman? Your behavior at the dining table has made me ashamed in front of my brother. Why Zaman looked at her carefully? Because I am ashamed in front of my brother. Okay, then I will stay away from you. If you do not accept this form of mine, then okay, I will stay away from you. Now, I accept you in every form, just the way you are. I am devoted to you with all my heart and soul. I am in love with Zaman Shah. I have lost my head to angry young men. Now I will endure it no matter what. Huram knows that Zaman trust would only be restored by his loving expression. Zaman pinched her high, proud nose and shook it. So get ready to endure me. The man suddenly grabbed Huram's waist and pulled her, threw her on her bed, and he himself got on top of her and took her into the possession. Huram became scared. If she had known that this would be the reaction to her words, she would never say any words. If she had imagined, she was trying to stop Zaman from bending over her. Zaman's soul was very soft. Zaman called Huram in a very soft voice. It was difficult to every look Huram in Zaman's eyes. Just as the last ditched effort, she catched the button of his shirt and tried to pull him away from her. Don't worry, it's nothing much. Just let me get lost in the magic of this flesh for a while. He bent over Huram's neck and silenced her. Huram just closed her eyes Huram necked with the intensity of his lips. Zaman's hands had gripped Huram's waist with all his strength. Zaman would have been completely lost before that. He had kissed Huram's face and deeply and stepped back. Daryab has gone back to the hostel. She has some test tomorrow. Yes, she had told me, but she left him without meeting me. Huram could not raise her eyes for shame. You are so shy. I have never left. I have never felt this way before. I used to think you were very bold. The man was smiling at her pretending face. Because I did not know that you were so shameless. She shook his hand from her cheek and got up to run away quickly. You do not know yet how shameless I am. Give me a chance to prove it. Then you will truly know our boldness. When mother came to Ira's room, Ira was standing in the window watching this scenery outside. Mother asked Ira, what happened? Are you fine? Yes, mother, I am fine. You will like to meet Huram? When she said this at once, Ira looked at her mother with uncertain eyes. The next moment, she was extremely happy and went out. She thought that the man had brought Huram back. Otherwise, there was a strict ban on leaving their mansion. Huram has not come. Zaman has called us there, mother told Ira. Then Ira stopped. She was excited when she saw mother. She smiled and come close. Zaman has called us there. Mother held Ira a little and said lovingly, Lala, he has called me. Ira was excited. Yes, she has called me. Yes, she has some work, that is why she has called us. She has she has said that you should also meet Huram. In fact, we are going there. Mother, we are taking everyone. We will all enjoy ourselves there. No, 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 only the two of us are going. And I have to tell you at home that I am going to get myself checked. But why, Maji? Ongoing. So, how did you like today's episode? I hope you like well. If you like the novel, then like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching us.